You want to be let in on a little secret? Listen up. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. We provide peace of mind to families every day through our high client value services. If you are seeking assistance in either estate planning or probate administration, we can assist and offer free consultations. You can find them in our calendar at 𝗧𝗹𝗪His𝗶𝗶.com. Choose a date and time that works for you. And speaking of value, we're also here to provide education to everyone on a regular basis. So please ask your questions and share so together we can help some folks along the way. So here's a little secret on how you can prepare the what ifs for the what ifs of life. 1, get organized. Sorry to say it. And 2, plan. I know, obvious. But I would say the core organization that will help your family, that will help a professional that's guiding you to set up your plan, and of course, everyone at the latter end when they have to bring your plan to fruition, is a strong, updated inventory of assets. What do I mean by inventory of assets? Okay, you need to collect and have a chart, documentation of all of the things you own. Whether that's very simplified and you have a home, a bank account, a retirement, and a car, have that down in your inventory that you'll eventually help provide to your professional so they can keep a record of it as well. But if it's more complicated than that, even more reason why you need to have this in a structured format and have it organized, not only for yourself, but for everybody else. If you don't know where things are, imagine how difficult that's going to be later. So our firm, one of the core pieces of our process is building and establishing a solid current inventory of assets at each of the touch points with our clients. And in that way, we know what real property is owned. We make sure it's titled the appropriate way, whether that's individually in an LLC or in their trust, if they have a trust. We make sure that business interests are up to speed. And again, the interests are owned by the trust, which is common if you have a business interest. That your all of your bank accounts and investment accounts, your retirement accounts, your life insurance policies, and sort of all the miscellaneous things are established in a record so that we have a starting point, maybe the next time we chat in a few years, and have a significant conversation. But doing that legwork yourself, because they are your things, helps tremendously in case life does kind of shift to the left or the right unexpectedly. You then have, or your family has, a starting point, and they're not just left in the dark, scrambling, searching, figuring things out. And this is even more important with the world of digital banking, digital everything. If there's no statements coming to your house, how are they going to know that they exist? So our firm does have some backups when the time comes to make sure we eventually find those things, but it's over a long period of time and it's not foolproof, truthfully. So I would say do your the legwork. It will be a tremendous help to your family, the professionals that are guiding you, and it just will make all the difference in the world, and they will appreciate it. I know I do when my clients are organized. So we hope you've learned something new here today. And again, I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you do need assistance in estate planning or probate administration, feel free to reach out to 𝗧𝗹𝗪His𝗶𝗶.com. Don't forget, please share and take care.